In today's video, I'm going to be helping out all beginner wholesalers know what are the do's and what are the don'ts when you're starting out wholesaling real estate. My name is Jacob Blank. I got started wholesaling real estate back in 2019 when I was 16 years old. I'm now 23 years old and I've made over $7 million wholesaling real estate. I'm absolutely crushing it. So this guidance is going to be very valuable for you. Now, I do want to mention I hold a free 1-hour live training with me every single week. So if you want to get direct mentorship and coaching from me for free for 1 hour, click the link down below and sign up for my next 1-hour live training. I hold one every week, but spots do fill up, so sign up quick. So let's get into it. What are the do's and don'ts? Number one, focus on finding a deal first. Find a deal. Don't find buyers first. Most people think that they need to build a buyer's list before they find a deal. They're like, well, once I get a deal, who am I going to sell it to? Well, I'll tell you this, a good deal will sell itself. Focus on getting a good deal before finding buyers. Guys, it's so easy to sell a wholesale deal. That's not the hard part. The hard part is finding a good deal. A good deal will sell itself. Also, I can help you sell the deal. You guys can use my cash buyers list. If you have a deal under contract, you can submit it to me at jacobblank.com/dispo and my team will help you sell the deal to our cash buyers. Now, this is the number one downfall, guys. Number one downfall that people have is they find buyers first. You are wasting your time, you're getting distracted, and you're not being focused on the actual goal. In real estate, the money is made on the buy. It's made when you lock up the deal. So you need to find the good deal first. Please stay focused on this. Number two, use the right contracts. A lot of people fail with wholesaling, or they lose the deal, or the seller backs out, or they run out of time on the contract, or they're all worried about their inspection period, etc., because they're using the wrong contracts. Go download my wholesaling real estate contracts. I give them out for free. They're the absolute best contracts. What's great about my contracts is you don't have to worry about your inspection period or running out of time to cancel. In my contract, I have a term in there that lets you cancel the deal at any time. So if you can't find a buyer, that's all good because you're using the right contract. So go download my contracts. You can download them at jacobblank.com/free. Now, next is don't hand dial. Hand dialing is the worst way. If you're gonna call sellers and try to get a deal and you're using your cell phone and you're typing in one number, waiting for it to ring, nobody answers, typing in another number, waiting for it to ring, nobody answers, typing in another number, waiting for it to ring, nobody answers, it'll take you 10 minutes before you even get anybody on the phone. That's no good. You need to be using the right software. You need to be using a multi-line dialer, okay? What a multi-line dialer does is it calls multiple people at once and feeds you the people that answer. So that way, every 30 seconds, you're talking to somebody new. This is how you can reach hundreds and thousands of homeowners. Number four, right software. We talked about a multi-line dialer, right? You need to make sure you're using the right software. This was a big mistake that I made when I got started, guys. I was using the Mojo dialer. It's not the right software. It calls only 3 people at once. The Ready Mode dialer calls 12 people at once. You're gonna be speaking to way more people, you're gonna be waiting less time in between calls, and you're gonna be able to reach hundreds and thousands of homeowners. Make sure you're using the right software. The dialer that I use, the multi-line dialer, is the Ready Mode dialer. Number 5 is extremely important. Proactive marketing. You need to be doing proactive marketing strategies. Guys, it took me 8 months to get my first deal because I was doing reactive marketing strategies, waiting for sellers to come to me. I would go around passing out flyers to distressed properties. I would put up bandit signs on telephone poles, those little signs that say, "We buy houses cash, call me." And I got no calls back, or it would be very rare if I got a call. I wasted so much time doing reactive marketing strategies, waiting for sellers to come to me. Instead, you need to do proactive marketing strategies. You need to be going after the deal, hunting down the deal and chasing after it. That's how I got the most success. So I started cold calling on a multi-line dialer, reaching hundreds of thousands of homeowners, going after them, and I started to get great results rather than doing reactive marketing strategies. That's extremely important. Now, number 6 is communication skills. and sales skills. Hey, my name is Jacob Blank, and I've closed over 500 wholesale deals. And the reason I've been able to do that is because I've been using highly trained cold callers to get all of my wholesale deals. So if you're not using trained virtual cold callers, you're leaving money on the table. Well, if you're ready to take your business to the next level, you need to sign up for Launch VA Cold Callers. All you have to do is go to launchva.com. There will be a link right here that you can click and you can sign up for cold callers. These cold callers are extremely talented. This is a hands-off marketing solution where we handle everything for you. We handle the data, the dialer, the training, the hiring. We handle everything with the cold calling marketing, so that way you can focus on what you do best, which is talk to the leads and convert them and close deals. So if you're ready to hire cold callers for your business, check out launchva.com. All right. A lot of wholesaling success comes down to how do you communicate to these sellers over the phone? How are your sales skills, and are you able to effectively communicate? That's highly important, so I want you to focus on that. Get your script, go over your script, master it. You guys can download my cold calling script for free at jacobblank.com/free. Now, the best way to level up your communication skills is record yourself doing the pitch and listen back to your recordings, listen back to your calls, and see what you can do better in order to come across better to the sellers, right? Also, another great way is look in the mirror and do your pitch in the mirror in the bathroom and move your hands, practice your tonality, get good at communicating. Guys, how you present yourself is everything in this business when you're getting started. So make sure you focus on that. So these are my top 6 do's and don'ts of wholesaling real estate for beginners. I hope you guys found it valuable. I want to remind you, if you want some really in-depth mentorship and training from me, all you got to do is click the link down below and sign up for my next live training that I'm holding, and you can spend 1 hour with me on a call with me, directly with me, where I'll personally coach you. There's limited spots. I do hold one every week, but make sure you sign up and grab your spot. The link will be in the description down below. Also, guys, I do have a mentorship program. There is an investment to join it. There's a link down below to apply for my mentorship. But guys, I love giving out free value. How can I help you, right? Already in this video, I gave you my cold calling script for free and my contracts for free at jacobblank.com/free. But also, guys, I created a free wholesaling course that teaches you everything you need to know about this business. There's over 20 course videos in there showing you everything you need to know for free. All you got to do is go to wholesalingrealestateforfree.com. So I'll put a link down below for that as well, for you to sign up for my school community. There's a free course in there. Most people say I'm one of the best teachers in the space, so I'd recommend watching my full free course because it's going to be a complete game changer for you. And if you haven't been through a course training on wholesaling and you're just starting, guys, I got my start by taking a course in wholesaling, and it was a complete game changer when I was a beginner. So if you're ready to really level up your skills and knowledge, either sign up for my free live training, join my free course, take in all the knowledge you can get. That would be my final piece of advice. Don't procrastinate though. A lot of people spend so much time learning and not taking action. I want you to get a well-rounded understanding of the business, but then I want you to go take action. Spend a month or 2 learning up, training up, but then man, don't get stuck in analysis paralysis. Just go out there and take action. So learning's key though. Just make sure you don't get stuck in the learning phase. Learn from me, sign up for my next live training, link below, sign up for my free course, link below. And other than that, guys, I hope you found the video valuable. If you did, hit the like button. And if you have any questions, comment down below. I'll be sure to answer. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, hit the red button and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it if you do so. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.